How to fix iPhone not vibrating on calls. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, head towards the option of sound and haptics. Now open this option of haptics. Check in for the option of always play. Head back, scroll down. Toggle on for this option of system haptics. Likewise, open this option keyboard feedback. Enable for this option haptic. Now head back, open this option of ringtone. Click on the option of haptics. From here, choose any of the option. Once you do that, head back to the main page of settings. Now open the option accessibility. Head towards the option of touch. Scroll down. You'll see the option of vibration. Toggle on for this option. Now open your control center. Make sure you have an enable focus mode. Once you apply these settings, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is head back to the main page of settings. Open the option of general. Open the option software update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll down, open the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here to continue with the process. Applying this process, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone not vibrating on calls. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.